Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Again, today I'm really excited as always because I will be doing an unboxing of the Kira Kira crate, sorry. I'll be going a little bit into more detail afterwards, but if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Also, I'd like to thank all of you who have been supporting me and liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. It honestly means the world to me. And we'll get right into it. So, I finally got this in the mail. I'm not sure if you can see, it says Kira Kira. It's from Japan Crate. I'm not sure if any of you have heard of it, but Japan Crate is pretty much like the Munch Pack I did last 2 videos ago. So pretty much you subscribe to whichever like size of box you want and they send you snacks from Japan. So they either have, I think they have like 4 different crates. So it's like the Japan crate, then it's the Kira Kira crate, which is like the skincare, makeup, just things like that, just like beauty products. And then the Japan crate, obviously the snacks. I think it's called Doki Doki. I think it's just like little notepads, like really cute little things. And then I'm forgetting one. There's one, but I know it's about noodles or something. Like you get noodles from like, I don't know. So there's 4 different types, and I think I paid, man, I'm like subscribed to so many things I forget. $29 a month, I'm pretty sure. So this is the May box, if I'm not mistaken, I think. Hopefully it will tell me inside, but I haven't opened it yet, and I'm so excited to open it with you guys. So, I'll just cut this open. 1 segundo. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, it is the May one. It tells you. So this is the box. Hopefully nothing will fall out. This is it. And the first thing I see is like this little pamphlet. So it says Kira Kira Crate May 2018. So I'm pretty sure if this, so I'm guessing this is like, it tells you what you got in here, I think. So let's get into it. Okay, so first thing I see is it's paper soap. It is all in a different language, so I'm assuming that's why you need the pamphlet. So let's see if I can find this. Okay, the paper soap. Ever been out and about and there's no soap to use? These sheets of paper soap are conveniently packaged in a cute case to take on the go with you. Receive one of the 3 available scents, lavender, rose, or peppermint, and keep it in your bag. Directions: take 1 sheet, place it in your hand, lather, and rinse. That is so cute. Oh, and I got rose because it's pink and it says rose. Oh, that's so nice. I love that. I'm like super OCD about germs and like a germaphobe. I know. And I have hand sanitizer with me everywhere, but like when I go to places and you know there's no soap, like I just don't like using hand sanitizer. I just like want that lather and rinse in the water to feel clean. So this is gonna be my best friend. Thank you, Kira Kira. Next, eyeliner pencil metallic. Okay, so it says black and shiny eyeliner. Bored of plain black eyeliner? Spice up your makeup game with this metallic black eye pencil that is sure to add some fun sparkle to your eyes. Cool. I'll just do a swatch. I don't want to rip it. The packaging is so pretty. Okay. So cute. I can't. Sorry. Okay. Ooh. That's really pretty. It's sheer. It does have a little bit of sparkle though. Next, these look like marshmallows. Can't see anything that's in it. Okay, this one is, oh sorry, I'll show it to you. This is honey lemon bath tablets. Bask in your bath with the sweet scent of honey and lemon in this set of bath tablets. Honey is known to help treat acne, reduce aging, and give a complexion boost to the skin, while lemon is known to help tighten pores and refreshen the skin. Fill the tub with hot water, pour the pouch contents, and mix well into the water. I'll be doing that tonight. I love baths. Next, aroma flower essence mask. I love masks. I love them. Okay, so it says organic mask. Indulge your face in the calming scent of chamomile with this sheet mask infused with chamomile floral oil and royal jelly extract blend. It will bring moisture back to your skin and leave it looking healthy and glowy. Directions: open sheet and place on the face for 15 to 20 minutes. Pat in any remaining essence into the skin. That is so nice. Okay. I'm like really excited. I can't wait to get these every month. Made in Japan. I'm assuming it's cream. Let's see. MUISC oil milk. I'll show it to you. There it is. If you've been experiencing dryness to your skin, this oil milk will be your skin superhero with its blend of cactus oil. Cactus oil is known to be light and absorb well, and absorb well while providing a huge kick of moisture to skin cells. Cool. So it's like a body, yeah, it's a body thing. Let's try it out. Because why not? Oh, and it shows you like there's like a wet leg. Does that mean like you have to apply it after you get out of the shower? Or I don't know. So, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Floral aroma. It has like I feel like this is liquidy because it has like a huge, let's just try it on this one. Ooh, okay. It's kind of like gel. If you see right there. Ooh, it feels really nice. Ooh, that feels really nice. And it does smell, it smells like, I'm not a huge fan of like floral scents, but this one's very light and I feel like I see myself wearing it a lot. So that's really nice. And then last but not least, where are these? Oh, okay. Hot eye mask. Spoil your tired eyes with this cute eye mask with the scent of lavender. This cute polar bear designed eye mask is sure to help your tired eyes after a long day and prep you for a good night's rest. That is so awesome. Directions: separate flaps and hook them around your ears with the blank side facing you. That is so cute. They're like little bears. And that's it. Those were the contents of the Kira crate. It's just so cute inside. The box was cute. Everything inside I loved. They are definitely things I will be using. I cannot wait for next month's Kira crate and those to follow. I thought it was just very sweet, very thought out, very thoughtful. And yeah, so 2 thumbs up for Kira crate. I definitely recommend it. I will leave the link to the website down below. It is $29 a month. I'm not sure if the things that were in it were worth $29. I really wish they did put like the price of the thing of like each product in the little pamphlet. So I don't know. I mean, you decide. Let me know if it was worth the $29 down below. Also, if you do receive the Cure Crate subscription box every month, please let me know down below if you think it's worth it and if you've loved the products you've received before. I'm so sorry for my voice. I feel like I'm like straining it. I think I'm losing it. My voice is already raspy to begin with, and I feel like it's just reached a whole nother level today. But thank you so much for watching. If you loved this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please click that subscribe button, and I hope everyone has a great day today. Bye.